Hello there, I'm Gonzales Churico Aaron AGM, and I will discuss the object-oriented programming fundamental principles. So, let's start. The first one is the inheritance. As you can see, meron ako ditong parent class which is a score handler na may class attributes ng score, target score, and so on. Na ini-inherit ng solo, player 1, and player 2 status. Na instead creating another attribute for that class, ini-inherit niya na lang dun sa in-inherit niya sa parent class. So, ang ginagawa ng mga classes na to is for viewing the user interface status ng laro ko. So, to proceed, I have a check and update parent class na ginagawa nitong behavior neto ng class na ito is for checking and updating kung tama ba yung sagot ng player or hindi. So, to proceed, ito yung mga inheritors niya or the child classes. The solo, player 1, and player 2. So, to proceed, another principle with is the abstraction. So, as you can see, it is the same code that I view to you or shown to you. Ang pinagkaibahan lang nito is for the abstraction. So, ang abstraction kasi, gumagawa ka ng kontrata which is the status update. Ino-override mo, pinapasa mo sa solo, player 1, and player 2, na ino-override mo yung same name ng function, pero yung iba yung ginagawa nilang task or yung behavior. So, yung solo, for the solo status UI, and player 1 and player 2 for their own status UI. So, to proceed, meron din akong check and update parent dito na merong abstraction ng clear, check, time status, game decision, and cleanup. So, ito yung mga inheritor gaya ng pinakita ko sa inyo sa una. Ang ginagawa naman neto, may sarili-sarili silang task and behavior for checking, clear game, game decision, cleanup, and timer status. So, to proceed, for the third principle, which is the polymorphism. So, the polymorphism, as you can see, I create the player status na nilalaman niya is the solo status, player 1 status, and player 2. Yung ginawa ko ng for loop, which is the self status, status and update. So, dito nagkakaroon ng polymorphism. Kapag gumagawa na lang siya ng one color line na lang siya, pero tapos alam niya na yung tinatawag mo. Sa isang one color line lang ng code. So, to proceed, meron naman ako ditong objects ng solo, player 1, and player 2 na gumawa ko ng list of tuples na may for loop na kinukuha yung checking ng tamang sagot or hindi. So, alam niya na kaagad dito kung yung check na yon is for solo or for player 1 or for player 2. Ganun ang polymorphism. So, to proceed, the last one, encapsulation. So, the encapsulation is a type of principles that protects the data. So, as you can see, the same code that I shown to you, the encapsulation here is on the classes. For example, for the solo, player 1, player 2 status, meron silang 3 hearts and 5 to 10 hearts. Ganun din sa question creator, meron siya. Dito na ako naglalagay ng value. Ganun kasi ang purpose na encapsulation. Doon ka na naglalagay ng value sa class. Instead, doon ka maglagay sa class attributes ng default value. So, to proceed, ganun din dito sa aking objects. Dito dinidetermine, nilalagay ko, ni-encapsule ko kung solo, or player 1, or player 2, yung object. So, that's all. This is my object-oriented programming fundamental principles explanation and report. That's all. Thank you.